Hey guys, welcome back to the Glow Up channel. Today, we're here to explore the best practices in hair care and ensure that your locks are kept in top shape. We'll be discussing the top 10 most common mistakes in men's hair care. So stick around to avoid these hair-wrecking blunders, and let's uncover the right path step by step. Overwashing. Washing your hair every day can strip away its natural oils and leave it dry. Opting to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week might be more suitable for maintaining a healthy and balanced scalp. Additionally, be mindful while washing your hair and use a gentle cleanser. Wrong choice of shampoo. Using shampoos that aren't suitable for your hair type can dry out your scalp and strands, causing damage. Selecting a shampoo tailored to your hair's needs is key to maintaining healthy locks. For instance, opt for moisturizing shampoos for dry hair. Overstyling with heat. Using blow dryers, curling irons, or straighteners at excessively high temperatures can damage your hair and lead to breakage. Protect your hair with heat protectant products and opt for styling at lower temperatures. Also, remember to keep the heat settings low and regularly apply hair treatments. Skipping hair conditioner. Hair conditioner nourishes, moisturizes, and softens your strands. Using conditioner after each wash is essential for maintaining the health of your hair. Pay special attention to your hair ends while applying conditioner and allow it to penetrate deeply. Choosing the wrong comb. Metal combs can cause static electricity in your hair, while plastic ones can damage your strands. Opt for combs made from natural materials to minimize damage and achieve a healthier look. Additionally, be gentle while combing your hair and avoid causing breakage. Rushing haircuts. Visiting a reputable barber and allocating sufficient time for your haircut can help prevent undesirable outcomes. Rushing through a haircut can lead to unwanted results. Also, discuss your hair's needs and your preferences in detail with your barber before getting started. Neglecting hair loss. If you notice signs of excessive hair loss, it's important to consult with a specialist. Early treatment is crucial for maintaining hair health. Additionally, adopt a balanced diet and practice relaxation techniques to reduce stress and prevent hair loss. Improper hair drying. Drying your hair at high temperatures and with excessive speed can cause damage and breakage. Opt for lower heat and slower drying methods to maintain hair health. Also, gently towel dry your hair before exposing it to high heat. At home, hair coloring. Visiting a professional salon can prevent potential damage from at-home hair coloring processes. Improper application of hair dye at home can adversely affect your hair's health. Before coloring your hair, assess its condition and select the appropriate products. Excessive use of styling products. Overusing gels, sprays, or wax can weigh down your hair and clog your scalp. Use these products in moderation and preserve your hair's natural texture. Additionally, distribute the products evenly while styling your hair and avoid overdoing it. Remember, with the right hair care routine and practices, you can achieve healthy and beautiful locks. By properly caring for your hair, you can always achieve your best look. Embrace regular hair care routines tailored to your hair's needs and find solutions that work best for you.